Now, welcome to these sessions. Today we will have a look how to use the software, how to download it, how to install it. So basically, you need to go to the download link and click on download. On this version, latest version, yeah, you download it. After a couple of seconds, it's ready. You see on the folder, yes, it is. You double click on it. Probably first time you got this message because your firewall system. Just close that window. Click on properties and click on block the file. So basically you allow your system to run this program. Click on OK and then later double click on it. Yes. And now what you do, basically click on next. This is default program. With the default program, you should be able to run this program from the AFP engine. Basically, if you click on any of this program, the program will be open, but you need to administration right. So those folders should be run as administrator, then you should be able to run and open this from the OTOM suite. But during OTOM suite should be always open during the running of the program. So just continue the installations, click on next. It takes a couple of seconds until everything would be set. So we wait for a couple of seconds here. So default program, this is based on 22 version, and installation is now done. Couple of important things that you need to put your license name at the beginning of the software, and yeah, you should run it as administrator. Click on close. So you can open it from the OTOM suite. Basically click on it. They ask you to, are you want to open it, allowed to be administrator or not? Yes. And the program is open. If you have the difficulty to run the program or that OTOM suite does not work, you could do the installation folder, which is the C drive, program files, and the OTOM composite folder, and AFP engine application, and here you can also double click it here. So for now I close that window. You can open it as a offline file or online version, but for AFP engine you only have an online possibility. Offline is for other packages, but if you have offline license you can open it also. Put your organization name here and click on set. And now it is ready. So this is the software. So right off the bat you can just click on calculate, and basically using the default value of these geometrical process and computational parameters, you can click on OK and see what happens. We'll basically use those difficult values for the cylindrical case to perform analysis and give the output of the, for example, knee point temperatures, knee point, or the area before the knee point. So when it's done, you will see the operation completed. So this is the default cases that you can also change the setting later. So the rays are the green ones. I'll change the transparency from here. So this is how it goes. And if I zoom in a little bit, I see the interaction of the rays with the surface and the reflections. So it's a general view. You can hide and show the different side of the cases here. You can see the temperature profiles here on the other window. You will see starting from here, heating up until toward the knee point, which is right side for substrate. and also for the substrate at the midpoint where the tape and substrate go on top of each other. This for the tape, and this is for also tape along the length of the tape. So from the area which is in contact with the roll layer toward the midpoint. And this is the contour plot, the other window for the substrate, tape, and for the also the temperature on the curved situations. With the other buttons here, you can use a dark mode and turn off some graphical object like which one if you want to hide it or show it. You can also use the keyboard to move it a little bit, rotate this. Okay. So these are default cases. You can click on reset, close all of the window. If you want to perform the 3D analysis, you can go to initialization and that 3D substrate, basically use the substrate 3D for final difference. And again, click on calculate. Let's see what happens. During calculation, this brain things animations will show up. So this is the for whole software. Whenever some simulation or some processing is happening, you will see this brainings animation is active here, and when it's done, that's will turn off. So the difference is that we have now upper surface and bottom surface of substrate. You will see our bottom surface, upper surface is the ones that receive the heat, and this is for the contour plot of the substrate, upper surface, bottom surface. So different windows here, and the same the different cases. So I close those windows. So if you would like to change any of this setting of analytical analysis, you could change it here, basically. And if you like to change other setting, you can also go to the free winding on tape and substrate. So basically you change setting how it is situated, the raised reflections, the raised area, the laser positions. So this is the laser area, laser surface toward the tape or substrate, and this is a target. You can just move it. And when you save this geometrical data, the input data will be updated. So this is for now. For the rest, which using the COT or UT analysis using the CAD file, I will continue this on other videos. Thanks for your attention.